Okay, so today the plan is to do a little money review. So we took that checkpoint a little while ago, and we just want to make sure we really understand money, okay? So let's get our coins out so we can see the different coins. Okay, can you pick out the 4 different coins we've been reviewing? Can you find them in this pile? Just one of each.
Do they have to be in order?
Nope, one of each. Okay, so we have this. Do you remember what this one's called?
Penny.
Penny, good. Do you remember what this one is?
It's worth 10 cents.
This one's worth 5. Do you remember how? Nickel, very good. Okay, we have these two actually are the same. You just had one flipped on one side of the face and one flipped on the other. So do you know which one this is? Quarter. Do you remember how much it's worth?
25.
Yes, 25. Okay, can you pick out okay, so you have 3. Do you remember the 4th one? Can you find the 4th one in this stack? Yes. You remember what that one's called? Dime. How much is that worth?
10.
10 cents. Okay, so can we review them all now that we have the 4 of them laid out? Can you go across in any order? Tell me the name of it and how much it's worth.
Penny is worth 1. Quarter.
Which one's the quarter? Good.
Is worth 25.
Mm-hmm. Nickel.
Is worth 5.
Mm-hmm.
Dime is worth 10.
Yes. Okay. So if I rearrange these, and we put them in that order, can you identify them for me and their value? Okay.
Penny is worth 1. Dime is worth, quarter is worth 25. Nickel is worth 5. The dime is worth 10.
Wonderful. Okay, so now if I just take a few of these coins and I put them in front of you, do you think you could give me the total value of the coins? Okay, if you need to figure it out, here's a whiteboard. Yep, the total. So if you need the whiteboard to write down and add the numbers up, we can do that, okay? So let's start with this. How much are those two? How much is the total of those 2 coins combined?
11.
You could do it in your head? Oh my goodness. Okay, what is this called?
A nickel. Pen. Dime.
Dime, and it's worth
10.
10, and that's a
Nickel. Penny.
penny, and that's worth 1. Very good. So that is 11. You are correct. Okay, let's give a different order. Let's see. We'll almost like roll the dice. Okay. How much are those 2 worth? All together.
35.
You did that in your head again? So what is this?
A quarter.
And how much is that worth?
25.
And this is a
Nickel. Penny.
dime, and it's worth 10. Wonderful. Okay. Do you think if I give you 3 coins, you can do 3? Add up 3? Okay. If you need to use your board, you can.
Okay, 36.
let's review the value of each of these. This is a what? What's that?
A quarter. Nickel.
Nickel, and it's worth
5.
5. This is a
Dime.
dime, and it's worth
10.
10, and this is a penny, and it's worth
1.
So how much is this all together? 60. Very good. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to give you maybe a couple doubles of coins, okay? So let's do this.
10 plus 10. 21.
Wonderful. Yes. Okay. Let's clear it. This time I want you to show your thinking on the board, okay? Okay. So these are your coins. Can you show me on your board how you are adding these up? So you added the 10 plus
5.
the 5, so the dime and the nickel equals 15. Then you added the quarter to that, and you got 40. Wonderful. Thank you for showing your work like that. Okay, let's do one more like that. Can you erase your board? And I'll give you another combination. Okay, let's do this. We're going to do 5 coins, okay? Show me your thinking. Okay? Let's see if we can put it all together. If you need to move those around, please do so. You need to take away the ones that you already added. So good, so good. That is such a good thought process and way to solve that, okay? So we have ones like this where you will see a handful of coins and you will have to identify the coins and figure out their value, okay?
Okay.
So on our assessments that we take, if you need to have a bag of coins, okay, we can get that for you, okay? Okay, erase your board. I want to see if we can do a challenge one, okay?
Okay.
So if I have this many in my hand, in my open hand, okay? Oh, I can't pick these up. And if I say I have, so you see this many, how many is this?
34. I mean 35.
35. If I say I have 45 cents altogether, how many would be in this hand? You see how much?
5.
How much is in this hand?
35 and it will be 10 in that hand.
10 in this hand. How did you know?
Because there's 30 and you need 10 more to make the 45.
There's how many in this hand?
35.
35. And you need how many more?
10 more.
10 more because I said we had how much altogether?
45.
45. Okay, so you see something like that on the assessments that we take. So you see you have an open hand and a closed hand. They show you one hand and give you the total. So you have to do a little mystery solving to figure out how much is in this closed hand, even though you can't see it. Okay? Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so we will practice again some more, but I think we are going to go in and start reading. Okay? I will clean this up. You are good to go.